Hi everyone, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. I'm Nancy, one half of Stamping Before Anything Else, and we are so happy you are here today. We're going to be making this cute, adorable card using the new stamp set called Love Cats, and of course we all know we love cats in this household, but this is going to be in the new January mini catalog coming out here in a few weeks. And if you don't have a demonstrator, please contact us and we'll get you one of those new catalogs out in the mail. But we're going to get started on this. So I've already got our image or our sentiment on a block. We're going to use this little kitty here that's kind of upside down. We're going to use that stamp set. I got my dies. We're going to be using the dark sweet sorbet ink and all these papers right here. So what we're going to start out with first is we're going to bring in the stamparatus. Now with images that are solid like this right here, I like to use the stamparatus because then you can stamp it twice and your image doesn't move on you. So I'll show you what I mean. So we're just going to open this plate up here, and what's really nice about this plate is it is adjustable, so you can move it up and down, but we don't need to do that. So I am going to take my little piece of paper here that I'm going to stamp that cute, adorable cat on, use these super strong magnets, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the image and I'm just going to place him upside down. Oops, I'm not going to place him upside down. I am going to place them upside right like this with the black image, the sticky part showing right there. And then I'm going to take and flip over my plastic plate and I'm going to press. Just like that. I'll slide it over here so you can see. So now what we're going to do is we're going to ink up our little kitty over here. And in the meantime, over on this side, our paper is securely held in place. Okay, so now I inked up my image. We're going to come over here, give it a good press. And then I'm going to open it up. Now, if you can see, the image isn't quite as dark as one would like. Now, if you do like it that way, go for it, but I would like mine to be a little bit darker. So I am going to go ahead and ink up my cat one more time. And flip it over. And look at how nice that turned out, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. So we're going to slide this out, set that aside. We are going to be doing a little bit of die cutting and embossing. Now, if you look on the back of this, you'll see that we use the stitch greenery die on the whole front side of the card. So we need to pull in our card base right here, and we're going to do that stitched embossed look on the front of the card only. All right, and now you can see this is the back side, but if you flip it over, voila, there's the pretty stitched part. So it's only going to be on the one side of the card. Isn't that pretty? I just love it. All right, next we're going to do our die cutting. We need to bring in our circles, our layering circles, and we're going to die cut the scallop out of a piece of black. And we're going to take our stamped image of our cat right there, and I'm going to bring in just the regular circle to die cut him out. I'm going to bring in a post-it note so that this die doesn't move. Okay, so I'm going to bring in our card for reference. We also have this piece right here that we need to stamp, and I did it in the tuxedo black again. All right, we also have our designer series paper. This is new in the January through mini catalog. I'm going to use our dark sweet sorbet Stampin' Blends marker. We're going to color this little circle in, or this heart. We're going to fussy cut this, and fussy cutting is just cutting it straight out. And if you don't want to do that, you can just leave it plain, just cut it in a square. All right, and there we have it, guys. Now we're ready to assemble our card. We have our card base, we have all our pieces. All right, so now we're going to take this piece and we're going to layer it directly on the front in the middle of the card. Okay, we're going to put adhesive on the back of this piece. Isn't he cute? And then we're going to take dimensionals and we're going to pop up the greeting. Okay, and last we are going to add some heart pearls to the front of the card using our Take Your Pick tool. The one end has the sticky putty end. And then I'm going to use the more pearlized looking heart. It just seems like it sticked out or popped out a little bit more. And there we have it, guys. Look at that. Isn't that super cute? I love it. I love cats, and this is an adorable stamp set. Certainly, if you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. And make sure you click on that little bell up there so that you get notified when we post new videos. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to subscribe in the description of this video. Thanks so much.